Hello guys, welcome to our channel Indrakshita Vlogs. Today we have a very yummy sweet dish for you, easily and simple made at home. We are making chena murgis. Now what we have taken is our ingredients involve the cottage cheese of this size. We have finely chopped in such cubes of cottage cheese. This is 200 grams of cottage cheese and we made it out of full cream milk. This is 300 grams of sugar. And now starting with our process, we will switch on the gas and after switching it on, we will pour our sugar crystals into the pan and then adding water just to make that sure that all of our sugar crystals are properly dipped with water. Sugar crystals are properly dissolved into the water. It has become concentrated sugar solution. Now for purifying this, we will be adding some amount of milk for the purification. We'll keep stirring. We will keep stirring the mixture. So guys, after separating all the impurities from our concentrated sugar solution, see, this is the amount of impurities. Now we will make this sugar concentrated solution more concentrated to be like what we call in Hindi is do tar tak. You have to make this do tar chashni. You have to make such that it becomes do tar ki chashni. You have to make it to that consistency. Guys, our target of that do tar ki chashni has been achieved. So this is the consistency of do tar ki chashni. This is how it is done. Now we will be adding our cottage cheese into the chashni or sugar concentrated solution, and then with soft and gentle hands mixing it well with the sugar solution so that each of our cottage cheese is properly dipped into the chashni. 3 minutes of constant stirring our cottage cheese into the sugar solution. We will switch off the gas, and then after switching it off, we will constantly stir it like this in a motion with slow hands. Now after when this sugar solution will be cooled, after doing the process of constantly stirring after switching off our gas, we will add this much amount of cardamom powder and then switch off the gas and keep stirring it again. You can make it cooler faster if you want to serve it faster than the time it takes. You can put it in a cold water big container and then stir it in that stirring so that the process of cooling increases its rate and we can get our chena murgis cooled faster than the time it takes, and the sugar is getting concentratedly stick with the cottage cheese as we watch in our normal chena murgi which we get from the market. So guys, after constant stirring, we have cooled the mixture of sugar as well as our cottage cheese. This will be the consistency. We remove the dry sugar from dry content of the sugar from the container, then we'll serve it and then have it. So guys, look at healthy, yummy and delicious chena murgis you can easily make at your home and serve with them as the dessert into your dinner, breakfast or lunch, whenever you want to eat or serve. So if you liked our video, please do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe, like and share, and comment down below in the section below. Thank you.